If you are using Unraid as the NAS OS, here's how to set up the light strip. By the way, you can easily configure the light strip through the LincOS app. The LincStation N1 and N2 feature a user-configurable color ambient light strip. You can choose to turn it off or customize different light colors. Turn off the device lights. First, make sure your NAS and PC are on the same LAN. Then, open a browser and enter tower.local, 50,000. Click on RGB light strip. If you want to turn the light strip off, just choose off and hit confirm. Adjust the light color. If you'd like to change the colors, adjust the brightness to 250. Pick your favorite shades for color 1 and color 2. Then click confirm to apply the changes. That's it. Super simple, you're in full control of the lights.